Welcome to Joy Yoga. This is a 15-minute morning flow. Begin lying on your back. You could even begin this just lying in bed. Bring awareness to your breath and gently lengthen your inhales and your exhales. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the top. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the bottom. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Continue deep breathing while drawing your right knee into your chest. Hug it in, and then releasing the left hand, just holding on with the right, begin making some circles, waking up the hip socket. Make some circles in the opposite direction. And then draw the knee in and send it across the body to the left while extending the right arm to the right. Maybe looking over towards the right. Breathing into the right ribs. Bring the knee back to center and then send it long. Pause and notice how your right side feels a little different from your left. Draw the left knee into the chest. And then gently holding it with the left hand, release the right, making circles, waking up the left hip socket. Making circles in the opposite direction. Draw the knee in and then send it over to the right, extending the left arm out to the left for recline twist. Breathing into the left ribs. Bring the knee back to center, send it long. Pause, noticing how your body feels. And this is the part where you'll need to get out of bed if you've been doing this in your bed. Hug the knees in, and then just hold on behind the hamstrings and begin rock and rolling up and down the spine. Getting a nice massage. Get enough momentum to rock all the way forward and then roll over your feet, coming to tabletop position. Make sure hands are stacked under the shoulders, knees stacked under the hips. Find a neutral spine. And then look to the left, drawing the left shoulder and the left hip together. And then on the right, bringing the right shoulder and the right hip together, finding some contraction in the obliques. To the left, and then contracting to the right. Come back to center. Then inhale, heart forward. Exhale, round the spine, send the hips back to child's. We'll flow through these two postures. So inhale, heart forward, cow. Exhale, round to cat and send the hips back, child's pose. Inhale, come forward, send the heart forward. Exhale, round the spine, send the hips back. One more. Inhale, bring the heart forward, look up. Exhale, round the spine and send the hips back to child's pose. Spread the fingers wide, pressing into the palms. Make this active. Send the hips back a little bit further towards the heels. Lift the hips, send the knees slightly back, and then reach the palms forward, melting the chest to the mat for puppy. You should feel a really nice stretch between the shoulder blades. Forehead can rest on the mat. Breathe into the back body. Draw the heart forward along the mat. Release the hips to the mat to find Sphinx pose. So elbows are under the shoulders. Draw the chest forward. You can release the head down if that feels good. And you can roll the head from shoulder to the opposite shoulder if that feels okay for your neck. Come back to center. Lower to the mat, bring the hands under the shoulders and send the hips back and up, find down dog. Keep a bend in the knees for your first down dog. Pedal out your feet. Take any movement that feels good. Press more into the palms. Lift the hips higher. Walk the hands back to the feet and then find ragdoll. So backs of the hands, find the mat or grab for opposite elbows. Keep a bend in the knee. So this feels really great for your spine. Just allowing any compression to release. Release the hands to the mat and then walk back out to a down dog. Bring a bend into the knees, look forward and take a big step to the top of the mat. Inhale, find a flat back. Exhale, fold. Press into the feet, inhale to rise. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach the arms high. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half lift, find a flat back. Exhale and fold. Press into the feet. Inhale to rise. Maybe find a back bend. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Press into the feet. Inhale, rise to stand. Maybe find a baby back bend. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold in. Press into the feet, rise to stand. Maybe find that back bend. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, hands find the mat. Step back to plank. Lower through knees or rock forward to chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, lift the hips to down dog. Right leg rises. Bring knee to nose. Step the foot quietly between the hands. Release the back foot to the mat. Cartwheel the hands up to warrior two. So front heel bisects the back arch of the foot. Flip the front palm, reverse your warrior, and then come forward to side angle, right forearm on the thigh. Flow back, reverse, come forward, side angle. One more, reverse, come forward, side angle, left arm reaches. Come back to warrior two. Cartwheel the hands down to the mat. Step back to down dog. Left leg rises. Bring left knee to nose and step it between the hands. Cartwheel the arms up to warrior two. Adjust your feet. Sink back down. Flip the front palm, reverse your warrior, left arm reaches, and then flow through to side angle, right arm overhead. Reverse your warrior, side angle. One more, reverse your warrior, flow through to side angle, right arm reaches, come back to warrior two. Cartwheel the arms down to the mat. Take a step back to down dog. Come back to your breath. Bring the knees to the mat, untuck the toes, and send the hips back to child's pose. Keep the fingers spread wide. Press into the palms to send your hips back a little further. Breathe. Feel the belly expand. Sending the breath all the way up and down the spine. Press into the palms to come forward and then find a comfortable seated position. So you can use any pillows or sitting on a block, wherever you can settle in. Bring your hands to your knees or wherever is comfortable. And then begin lengthening the inhales and exhales. Inhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Exhale for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Inhale for 6. Hold. Exhale for 7. Hold. Release the breath to its natural rhythm. And our quote for today is by Maya Angelou. This is a wonderful day. I've never seen this one before. If you have a few more minutes, please stay in meditation or just stillness. And if you're ready to start the day, gently opening your eyes. And I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.